5 reasons to go keto. Number 1. Ketones effectively replace glucose. You'll become ketone adapted in just a few days if you stick to a mostly fat-based diet. Your body will switch from glucose to ketones as its primary energy source. Ketones, unlike glucose, do not require insulin as a transport mechanism, although they can still cross the blood-brain barrier. As a result, all regions of the body can be properly fed without some of the downsides associated with the pancreas' excessive insulin release, or incapacity, for glucose utilization. Number 2. Decreased inflammation. Inflammation is the immune system's natural protective mechanism. Inflammation, on the other hand, can become chronic and be the source of practically any chronic ailment or non-communicable disease if it is present all of the time. Because greater inflammatory response has been associated to increased glucose and insulin release, a diet heavy in fat may be one way to reduce such an immunological response. When the immune system returns to normal, it will be able to better allocate its resources to dealing with actual immune threats and developing specific acquired immunity. Number 3. Ketones may help fighting cancer. Maintaining a ketosis state can also help fight cancer in rare cases. When a protein that helps inhibit cell growth and division during the cell cycle is mutated, cancer is characterized by rapid, unregulated cell division. There are no checks on its proliferation now that this protein has been declared inactive. When glucose is used, this is a very energy-intensive process that is very efficient and tuned. Ketone bodies, on the other hand, aren't the best energy source for rapid division, and they can stifle the growth and spread of cancer cells that would otherwise multiply in the presence of plenty of glucose. Number 4. Correcting metabolic and neurological diseases. Many defective processes in the body that typically need glucose for energy can be bypassed by ketones. A ketogenic diet can help address numerous metabolic and neurological problems by restoring function by giving energy through a different pathway. Because ketone bodies may cross the blood-brain barrier, they are a potential energy alternative to glucose. Alzheimer's disease is thought to be caused by the breakdown of many chemical and mechanical mechanisms linked to cognition and memory. Because of the brain's pervasive neuronal nature and high energy consumption, deterioration of glucose pathways can have a rapid and severe influence on brain activity. By penetrating beyond the blood-brain barrier and bypassing these glucose-reliant pathways, ketones have the potential to reduce symptoms linked with neurological illnesses like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's disease, autism, PTSD, dementia, and epilepsy are some of the other neurological conditions that a ketogenic diet can help with. Number 5. No energy crashes. Carbohydrates are broken down into glucose for immediate usage when they are metabolized. When this immediate source of energy is depleted, the body will resort to fat burning. However, there is little readily accessible energy during this shift, which can lead to sensations of crashing until the body's metabolic pathways and enzymes are re-optimized for metabolizing fatty acid triglycerides, from which ketones are created, in a process known as ketogenesis. When the body is ketone adapted, it consumes the same type of energy throughout feeding, when fat-based fuel is supplied, and fasting, when fat-based fuel is not supplied, between meals where ketones are constantly being mobilized from stored fats. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Click link in the description for help with diet plans.